If you want to unlink your Threads account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to unlink from Facebook. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and select it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Find account linking options. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section related to account linking or connected accounts. This is where you can manage your connections with other social media platforms. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option for Facebook within the account linking section. Tap on it and you should see an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to verify that your Threads account is no longer connected to Facebook. You can do this by checking the account linking section again to ensure Facebook no longer appears as a connected account. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Threads account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.